recording is, yeah, start away. Recording is about to start. Yeah, clear. So this is just a recall of previous two lectures, previous three lectures. Clear. So we can make sets from list. So this we yesterday we have discussed this. Clear. Now we are discussing dictionary. See, list, tuple, set, dictionary. These are the data structure in Python that are used. What is the purpose? To store and organize data in efficient manner. Clear? Now comes to dictionary. So this is quite different from the list, tuple, and set. And what is the difference here? It is used to store key value pairs. See, I'm highlighting this key value pairs. Clear? And one more thing, a dictionary is a collection of which is ordered and changeable, that does not allow duplicate, but you can find them in unordered also, because different Python have different things. Clear? So in the recent one you can say the dictionaries are ordered, but in my system I think Python version is different, so it may be unordered. So there are two answers for this. This is unordered or ordered. So you need to check which version you are having. I googled them and I found that Python 3.7 dictionary are ordered, but in some book it is written as unordered. So maybe the books may be old, so they may are using different version of Python. So for that you need to cross check. I'm just
सर
writing.
ऑर्डर्ड एंड ऑर्डर्ड का क्या मतलब बता दीजिए.
Ordered and unordered means, suppose you are having this dictionary. Just an example. See, I'm just discussing. So it is a key value pair. First thing, key value pair. That means the syntax for is this. It started from the curly bracket and it end with the curly bracket, just like the set. Set की तरह ही है ये, ठीक है? And separated by comma. Separated by comma. आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. If you are feeling uncomfortable, you can sorry, you can keep like this. Clear? See, so this is the first one. Clear? This is the second one, and this is the third one. Okay. Now key. So this is called key, and this is called value. This is called key. This is called value. So these are key values pair. Okay. Instead of having a single thing, they are having key values pair. That means brand is Ford, model is Mustang, year is 1964. So this is called key value pair. This key is associated with this value, this key is associated with this value, this key is associated with this value. So this is the difference, main difference between tuple, list, set and dictionary. What does unordered and ordered means? Whenever you try to print this, so you are having output in the same order or in the different order. So this is the difference here. Clear? So just checking here, see, okay, I think I will start my Google Colab instead of okay, this one. See, my Jupyter notebook. I'm starting it. Okay, this is already created Jupyter notebook, so I am adding in this Jupyter notebook. Maybe yesterday we have discussed this. Clear. So we have discussed this one. Okay, okay. Uh, okay. Sites we have discussed here. Okay, so yeah, so we can start from dictionary here. Dictionary dictionary heading. For time saving, I'm copying that. No, okay, no problem. My DICT is equals to, yeah. So you can say brand uh, colon uh, Tata You can say model, which model? Nano, uh, and year. You can say, you can write anything. 2016. Print, print, print my dict. Okay, just say this output. So brand, model, and year. But this is ordered. That means in which order you have created, they are having the same order. But sometimes they may not be in the same order. So this that is called unordered. But like you are having model before brand, after that year before brand, after that. So this is called unordered. So I think a previous version of Python, in the previous version of Python, dictionaries are unordered. Clear. So that's why I write cross check, because I'm having Python 3.7, I think. Just cross. Okay, I will cross check the version of Python. Okay,
If it is ordered
see.
means it is gonna come just as written, sir.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay.
Okay, python Python 2. Just a minute. I am writing Python 2 here, and I am writing dct. This is name. mm, okay, Tata. Okay, and just a minute. I'm checking this. 2021. No, okay, and dic name and year. Okay, model. But it is not necessary all the times it will have it will be in the same order if it is unordered. Okay, sometimes you have in the same order, sometimes you may have in the some another order, sometimes you may have in the some another order. So that is called unordered. Clear. So model nano, I'm just checking whether you can see. Yeah, you can see, is it visible to all of you? My this terminal,
Yes, sir.
this one.
It's unordered.
You can see, yeah, I have started Python 2 here, not Python 3. Okay. So in this Python, you can see this is my dictionary here. This is my dictionary. In this dictionary, model is at the last, but when I am printing this, it is giving model at the start. So that is I want to show you. This is called unordered. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Can I ask something?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
gave about the dictionary value equal to name, Tata, year 21, model, and all, sir.
Yeah.
Down you didn't choose the print tag, no? So without print tag, you can also do the function.
This print.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can see. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, now I'm starting Python 3. Let me check whether this is in Python 3 is 3.7.6 in my system. Okay, okay, this npr ntc dic. Now you can see it is ordered here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Can you see? Yeah. So because I'm able to show this because in my system I have two version of Python, but in your system you may not be able to differentiate this. So just keep in mind, okay, it is ordered for a for a higher version. I think it is unordered. So just once again cross check with the book. If they have written unordered, then Google it and check whether it is really unordered or higher version is ordered. But I found this is ordered when I am using Python greater than 3.7, and when I am using Python 2, so it is unordered. Clear? That's why I have written this statement. Clear? Yeah. So this is the example of a dictionary. So this is called key values pair.
सर
This
इसको
is key
एग्जाम
here.
में आया तो क्या
Sorry.
सर अगर एग्जाम में आया ये मतलब इसको लिखना पड़ा डिक्शनरी को कि ऑर्डर्ड है या अनऑर्डर्ड है तो क्या लिखें
हाँ वही तो एग्जाम में अगर फिर यू हैव टू राइट ऑर्डर. ठीक है.
Okay.
If it is a theoretical question, then you can write both the things. It is ordered for this version, it is unordered, and it is just like an objective question. You have four options, then you just tick mark it is ordered. Clear? But in the book, you may find that it is unordered. So I think the older version, in the older version, it is unordered. Clear? Yeah. So one more example. Yeah. Now, see, I am writing this in the new line. You can write in the same line also, like this. Okay, doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. Clear? So I am saving. I am writing this to save some time. Copying this. Yeah. So this is dictionary here. Again, I am writing. Can you see this? My Jupyter notebook. Yeah. So what I am saying, there's a duplicate is not allowed. Okay. Duplicate is not allowed. You can see here. So see, I am having year two times, but it is giving only the updated one time. So that is called duplicate. Duplicate is not allowed. This one is clear? Yes or no? Uh, Hello?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
ठीक है? Yeah, it is
Yes,
clear.
sir.
So this is called key, this is value, this is key, this is value, this is key, this is value. Clear? So I am having year key two times, so duplicates are not allowed. So this will give you the updated one. That means the last one. Clear? One more thing is that length, there is a function available length, so I can show you the functions available. Just a minute. We always have see dir. We always have dir. Which dictionary you want to see? My dict. We have two dictionaries. See, these are the available functions here. Can you see all of them? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So yeah. So I'm using length, len length, my dict. Okay. So sorry, dict. You can see my dict length is 3 because there are three key values here: 1, 2, and 3. Clear? Yes or no? Okay. Now can we use this my dict bracket 1? Can we use this just like list and tuple? Can we use this? No. This is not. If you trying to write this, it will give you some error. Clear? So if you want to access just like indexing, what I need to write here? I need to write here key. We need to write
Key
here
value.
key value. So what is key here? In this case, brand, model, and year. So you need to write any one of them. Brand. Suppose I'm writing here brand. So it will give you this. Clear? You can write
Yes, sir.
this. My dict gives error. Gives. Yeah. So this is called this you can access the values. Clear? And actually there are a lot of things available, and okay, indexing is there, pop function is there, I think clear function is there. So let us learn all of them. So length is clear to all of you? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now now you can also have dictionary like this. See, okay, so we can also have dictionary like this. See, so in this case key is this. Okay? And key is this, and in this case value is false. That means we can also have boolean values. We can have string values, we can have numeric values. and we can also have a list as a value. So this is called, matlab you can say we can have a different data type values, numeric, boolean, string, and list. Clear? So print this dict. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
So that means
Yep.
there may be there is a dictionary. Okay. In the dictionary we are having brand, electric, year, and color. So four keys. And in the color we are having three values: red, white, and blue. Clear? Okay. So this one is clear. Now this one is clear. Now reverse of this. Just me show you this example again. Again, I'm copying this. See, now can we use list here? Okay. Okay. See, color one, color two. Okay, sorry. Can we use this? Can we use this? No, this gives me error. Unhasable list. So this is not allowed here. This one is not allowed. That means a key, you cannot use list as a key. Clear? But we can use value as a key. So this gives error. This is clear? Difference between
So
these
what
two.
does unhashable list mean, sir?
Unhasable list means this is unhasable. This one.
Okay, we should only have one
Yeah,
value in that, right? One or two.
actually, in the data structure, there is a topic called hazing. So actually, you have not studied data structure. We are directly studying Python. So in the hazing is again a data structure. Actually, the concept of that is we need to that is used for key values pair. So that is unhashable. So this unhashable topic that is will be more clear when you study data structure. Clear?
Okay, sir.
In BTech, this subject is in the third semester, or in BCA again I need to check. Okay? But it is a subject of computer science, a data structure, where you have a different type of data structures to learn. Clear? One of them is a has table that is widely used in operating system. Okay? So that is called unhasable list. Matlab list is not hasable here. This one clear. Now coming to again empty. Yeah, see, if I'm writing this one, just a minute, I want to see how many of you got this. My dict is equals to this. This is this is a set or dictionary. This is set or dictionary.
This is an empty dictionary.
But set, we also have this thing in the set.
Sir, this will be a set because dictionary के लिए key value pair डालना necessary होता है ना?
No, but I'm writing this empty. Empty dictionary can be empty. Yes or no? See, I'm checking type here. First one answer was correct. It is dictionary. See, it is dictionary. Clear? So if we are just writing a curly bracket and nothing is there, so it is not empty set. It is a empty dictionary. Clear? So if you want to create empty, if you want to create, see, set. If you want to create empty set, what you need to use? What you need to use? You need to use this. Is it visible? Is it visible?
Yes, sir, it's
Yes.
visible.
Yeah, clear. So see, I am showing you there also in the Jupyter notebook. See, if we are writing this set, this इसको I think ऐसे लिख दो. इसका टाइप चेक करते हैं. TYPE type A. Okay. So you can see this is set here. This is empty. So if you want to create empty set, you need to use this set. If you want to get empty dictionary, you can use curly bracket because we can't differentiate both of them because both of them start with the curly bracket and with the curly bracket. Clear? So it is confusing whether it is a set or dictionary. So for if there is nothing, then it is a empty dictionary, not empty set. Clear? Yeah, so this one is clear. This is actually confusing. That's why I didn't discuss this yesterday. Because yesterday we only discussed set, not dictionary. Clear? So using dictionary, okay. Yeah, there is another way to create dictionary. I am discussing them also. Just a minute. Okay, this one is clear. Just one more example. Just a minute. One more example. My DICT. This is also. This is again a dictionary. Yes or no? Yes or no? This is again
Yes,
a
sir.
dictionary. Yeah. So it doesn't it is not necessary that every time you need to use a string as a key. You can use numeric data also for key. Clear? Mm, just cross check. Clear? So you can have numeric data also for key. Now DICT is equals to DIC. So if you are not willing to use this curly bracket, we can use the DICT functions also. Okay. If you want to check how it works, I will just write question mark here. DICT is not objectable. Just here question mark. Okay, DICT is not. Okay, just a minute. कुछ स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक कर रहा हूँ क्या मैं DICT तो नहीं है ओके हाँ DICT सॉरी मैंने स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक किया था ठीक है so if we are not using curly bracket just like tuple list and set ठीक है one way to create them using their syntax like square bracket for the list round bracket for the tuple ठीक है curly bracket for set and dictionary otherwise we can write their name just like list or inside that bracket you can use list okay so if we are not willing to use this curly bracket we can use this function as well clear now in this function we will use this. Okay what is the syntax here okay just a minute okay okay I think this is the syntax okay okay parent print my DICT first element second element so see here whether yeah no dictionary expected at most one argument we got two okay, okay, okay. Oh sorry we need to use this bracket here I think Mm, now we will see yeah clear so using this also we can create dictionary my DICT here Clear? See, so initially we were using this one column row that is key value, key values, and key values, or we can put all these things in a list. Okay, we keep this in a list, we will keep this in a list, we will keep this in a list. Okay, so this is a list key values pair, this is a list key values pair, and all of them we will put in this round bracket. Clear? Yes or no? Clear? So you can read from here. If we are just writing DICT square round bracket, it is an empty dictionary. Clear? Otherwise, we can pass them arguments to create them. Clear? So this one is clear. This is another way to create dictionary. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, मैं फिर से रिकॉल कर रहा हूँ. See, ये आपको याद है? This you remember this? L equals to square bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3. Do you remember this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you remember this, then you know this. Now just one more thing. List. Do you remember this? Okay, 1 comma 2. Let me check whether this works or not. Print L2. See, both of them giving the same output. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So similarly in a dictionary also we can use their syntax like a curly bracket start, curly bracket close, or we can use a DICT function to create dictionary. Clear? So we can use DICT function similar to list. If we want to create list, we can use a square bracket opening, square bracket closing, or we can use LICT function. Clear? Same thing is happened for the tuple, same thing is happened for the set, and same thing is happened for the dictionary. ठीक है? Tuple के लिए
Sir?
you are having this function TOUPLE. ठीक है? So 1 comma 2 comma 3 is
LICT फंक्शन कौन सा बोला सर आपने?
LIC, sorry, list,
LICT
list,
अच्छा
list,
LIST.
list.
ओ ओके ओके.
ओ, ठीक है, मैंने आई थिंक गलत बोल दिया होगा. LIST list. ठीक है. So there are two way to create list, tuple, dictionary, and set. First one, use their syntax like a square bracket for the list, round bracket for tuple, curly bracket for set, and curly bracket for dictionary, but key values pair. Otherwise, for list, we will use LIST. For tuple, we will use TUPLE. For set, we will use SET. And for dictionary, we will use DICT function. So this one is clear. So in exam, you may have this type of things also. DICT, this. Clear? Or you can use this also. Clear? So see here. Just print here, print. Okay, my DICT. Clear? So if you do not want to keep them in list, we can keep them as like this. Okay? SAB we can write. Clear? So this topic till now is clear. Now moving to some more thing in this topic. See, I will upload this document in your file section, so you can have access of that also. Clear? Clear? So this we already discussed, and this one, this we discussed. Clear? Okay. Now assessing element from dictionary. Clear? So this we already discussed. If we want to access any particular element, what we need to do? We need to write in the square bracket. We need to write the key. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually, sir, there is an important announcement, sir. Can I do it right now? Sorry to interrupt
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
in between the class.
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
Sir, actually, Ankush sir right now called me that he said like, can batch one student let me know like when they are free for in between 12:30 to 3:30 for the meeting. He will take 5 to 10 minutes small meeting. So can you people let me know when you are free? You can decide one time and let me know right now.
I'm free all day.
Only it is only for batch one students.
I think this is a mentor meeting.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay, fine. आप लोग you can tell the timing for the meeting. No response. No one wants to attend meeting. Okay. जल्दी बताइए. हेलो.
अक्षत एक काम कर, उनको बोल 12:30 कर दे, क्योंकि ये लोग तो नहीं बोल रहे।
क्या 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 करूं? शेखर क्या बोला तूने?
अरे हम जब
साढ़े
जब मर्जी कर।
बोल देना करने 1:30 से फिर हाँ
चलो ठीक है
12:30 से
12.
ब्रेक होता है।
ओके ओके ठीक है, मैं भूल देता हूँ.
ठीक. Okay. Fine. Yeah. My dict dot get just a minute name. See what is the output here. Name is not defined, so I think we need to use this. Yeah, see, so there are two way to access values. First one, you can pass the key in the square bracket, or we can use a get function. We can use get function. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
I think one more function is there. Let me check
We
whether
need
this
to use
works.
the brackets even for the get function, no, sir. The open
But
brackets.
in the get function, we need to pass a key whose value we want to print.
Okay.
Clear? So in the square bracket, no, in the round bracket, because this is a function. This is a function. See, we have shown you the functions here. See, clear copy from key, get items. So this get function, this get function. Clear? Second function is items. So I'm discussing the item. And we also discussed len to find the length. Okay. For this function, we need to use dot. And for this function, we don't need to use dot. We need to pass the dictionary name inside the bracket. See, so now we are using items here. Items, not items. See, what is the difference here? Items take no argument. One is given. Okay, no argument. Then कुछ तो चाहिए होगा यार. Dictionary items. Okay, so it is giving you, I think, whole key. कुछ तो
I
चाहिए
think
होगा.
you need to enter number one, sir, inside the items one.
नहीं, but key is name is also a key. Name is also a key. Just a minute. Name is not defined. I think it gives you the whole. Just a minute. Item. Okay, we can cross check this. This is the beauty here. We can cross check what is items mean here. My dict dot items items question mark and check. Okay, see this. Hide this one. Yeah. D dot items are set like object providing a view of on these item. Okay, these item built-in function. आई थिंक ये पूरा दे रहा है ना. डीज आइटम्स लिखा है इसमें. डीज आइटम मतलब डिक्शनरीज आइटम्स. ओके Okay. Okay, so we can't pass here anything, I think, on these items. So it will give you dictionaries item. Clear? Now next is okay, this one is clear. Okay, clear. There may be the case if the key is not present, then what it will give us? It will give you some error. Yes or no? See, in this case, suppose my DICT, okay, and instead of name, if you are writing here address, what will happen? There is no key whose name is address. Yes or no? Yes or no? So what it will gives us?
So say again, sir. Address.
See, yeah, I am writing here my underscore DICT in the square bracket address. Now address key is present in this dictionary or not? No, address key is not present here. Yes or no? Yes or no? Please answer. Please answer.
So can you repeat?
See, I am writing this my dictionary in the square bracket address. Okay. So what it should give you? It should give us the value corresponding to address key. But address key is not present in the dictionary. Then it gives us some error. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
है ना? So see. Oh sorry, कहाँ पे थे ये वाला? See, it gives us an error. This error is given. ठीक है ना? Now we are using the same thing here with the get function. Again, it gives us some error, but here in this case it gives a none because address is not present, so it gives a none value. So this is the difference here. The purpose of both of them are same, but the first one will give you the error because address key is not present in the dictionary, but the second one doesn't give us error. It gives none because this it gives none. Okay. So this is the difference here. I want to show only this. See, try to access key which does not exist. Which does not exist. Clear? So if you are using get function, it gives output none. And if you are not using get function, if you are using the square bracket, in the square bracket you are passing the key, wrong key, which is not in the dictionary, it gives error. Okay? So this is both of, so in exam you might be confused. Yeah, so keep in mind, if you are using get function, it gives output none. And if you are not using get function, if you are using square bracket, to access values of a particular key, it gives us error. Clear? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
So this is the difference just for you. And now one more thing. Yeah. So sorry. Okay, this one is clear. Okay. You can try both of them one by one. You can try both of them. Now see, my dictionary is this. Now my DICT. Okay, and I am having name, mm, name equals to, now I want to update name. So which name I suppose I want to update this name. Print my underscore DICT. So using this way, you can update the list. You can see initially the name was Rohit. The value corresponding to key name is Rohit, but now I have updated them. Yes or no? Updating. Clear? Is it fine, friends? Yes or no? Roll,
Yes, sir.
roll. Okay, roll number. Okay, and I'm just writing 1, 2, 3, 4. And Now print my dict and check the output here. See, now I am adding one more key values pair. Adding key value pair. See, so initially our dictionary having these key values. Now I have added one more. Clear? So we can update them also. We can add them also. So this is called mutable. This is called mutable. That means we can change them. Okay? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yeah.
So,
So yeah, yes, ask. Yes. Any question? Any question? Okay. So
But
see, yeah, so we have discussed it till now only. We have discussed it till now. And after that, yes, can you hear me? Okay, so we have discussed it till now. Something more I want to discuss, removing element from the dictionary comprehension. This is important topic here, dictionary comprehension. So I will discuss this in the next lecture. Okay?
so you have Madhushi's ma'am lab is not there, so you will take the lab at what time?
At the same time as Madhusi ma'am, sir. I think I have sent you the
10:40.
invitation for my live.
Yeah, we have got.
Yeah, so I have
I did
sent you
not.
invitation. Yeah. Yesterday I scheduled meeting, same time. Okay, so you all have, I think, received invitations. Clear? So one lab I think is 10:40 and second one is 1:30. Okay, you can cross check. Clear?
Yes.
So and yeah, so I will discuss the remaining part of dictionary in the next lecture, on the
ठीक है
Monday,
सर सर
Monday or
मतलब
Tuesday. Okay?
10:40 आपका लैब है और 1:30 आपका लेक्चर है.
नहीं, there are two batch. Clear?
ओके ओके
So one batch is having lab I think 10:40
ऑलराइट.
and another batch is having lab at 1:30. I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes
Yes,
or
ओके
no?
sir.
सर.
हाँ, ठीक है. So as it is बस मधुसी मैम but instead of Madhusi ma'am I will be there with my invitation.